This is a login screen. Oh yeah. So this is a home screen. So here you don't see any slot requests yet. All right. So we need to have it. So first of all, we need to create a user. So for that, like we'll be using something called sign up. So let's click on the sign up, and it'll ask me for some email password. So I'll just give some test user, right? So test user 1@test.com. It doesn't matter whether that is the working email or not. So it works fine without any problem. So a regular password should be good. Okay. And once you do this is the sign up part. Okay. You're done with that. Now going to log in, and then you need to give the user what you have created right now, right? So let's look into that. So which one was the test user, right? Test user 1@test.com. Login in. Okay. So there you go. We are logged in. So and here is the username whom he has logged in, right? So through which it is logged in. Now we are going with the first slot request. Click on new slot request, and it will give you the doctors list. This list is pre-populated from the database. So we are picking the data from the database. We are trying to do this. And Dr. Padmaja, and I'm just trying to go for a booking slot on 25th. And then slot would be at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and request the slot. There you go. Okay. So now the request has been sent to the admin, and you can also check, the user also can check it. So as of now the status is pending, the date which is requested, time, and then agent. Then this is all good now. So he cannot change anything here, so the admin user can do the job. So right now, okay, let me request at least 2 to 3 things so that I can fill the page here. Okay, 25th, and I want it at 12 o'clock. Okay, and then let me take one more request from Dr. Sukesh Kumar, and a minute. Request is 11 o'clock a.m. Yes, okay. So I have filled the 3 requests. Guys, you can just change the number of requests you want to view, right? You can also change it. So as of now, it is by default, it is 10. You can change it to 2. So that means 2 requests will be here, and the third request will be on the next page, right? This is more of the pagination part. We can have the multiple requests in this case. All right. And then if you observe all the users, all right, so or of the these are the agent users, right? So we can use that. And now let me log out and try to provide the approval. So when you log out, you have a regular screen, guys. So this regular screen has every information available, right? So that like even if the other agents are trying to book the same slot for the same doctor, like they can cross check it before placing the request, right? So which is very uh, good for us. All right. So now let me log into the admin user, and admin@test.com is the admin user. I'm logging in, right? So here, as of now, you can see all the users are having the pending state. Let's say I made a call and then I got the appointment for Dr. Padmaja. Okay, I'm gonna change that to the allotted stage, and then so I want to change the timings. Let's say if the specific timing is not available, I can change and I can modify the date also. Otherwise, I can leave it. So now if you observe, go back, it says allotted. So slot has been allotted to the patient, right? So we have done it. And we can do the same thing. Let's say if this particular doctor is not available, right? So I'm gonna go here and then say not available. So yeah, okay, so it's still pending stage right now. Let's say if a user is looking into it, right? So I can just log in and this would be the regular screen, right? So where every user will be looking into this. Okay, the number of requests are here, and then we can do this. Okay, and this is all sliding windows which you have, right? So which you can do the job. Okay, log in again, and then let me change it. Let me log in with a different user. So demo user. Try to create some more things. Okay, Dr. Arya, and then 28. So I want it on 3:30. Slot is request. Okay, now if you observe the day it is in pending stage. Let me create two more. Srikanth, 30th. I wanted it 12 o'clock slot. Okay, now you see there are 5 requests which are available. Let me log out here. So this is the landing page where every user can check and then do this job. Clear on it? Okay, thank you.